Hi guys, welcome back to Cinema Goggles. This is Vishali.
I'm Yukina. And he's Vish.
Yes, and finally we are back with another Harry Potter reaction. And this time it's going to be Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1.
Ooh, Deathly Hallows.
It has death in it. Okay,
You can sense it now.
No.
Maybe no one dies.
Yeah,
I am not
maybe.
trusting you guys. I am not at all trusting you guys. I literally asked you, is Dumbledore going to die? And you were like,
I don't
no.
know.
And
I
we
said,
were
I don't
supposed to
know.
tell you.
No.
We were supposed to tell you.
Yeah, so I'm not trusting you guys. I would rather just watch and then cry bucket and then that's all.
Yes, yeah, okay. I think then we should just get into the
Yeah,
video.
but before that, thank you to the subscribers who patiently wait for our Harry Potter videos. And we
Yes.
read all the comments and we try to reply to all of them. So
Yes,
thank you so much.
yes.
And this is our, second last reaction?
Oh, second last
Second
time. I'm
last
feeling
reaction.
so nostalgic. Although I should feel nostalgic in the last one. Yeah.
Okay.
So, without further ado, I think we should get into the movie.
Yes.
Yes. Cool.
Allow Mora.
Coming, Mom.
Oh god.
Oh God.
I could hear that shiverness in the
Yeah.
voice.
Obliviate.
Already.
Goodbye.
Do you
Because
know what
she-
she did?
Oh
Like
God.
every memory of her from
Just
her
her
parents'
whole
lives.
existence from their minds. That is the saddest thing. Oh, they're leaving.
Leaving him alone, I will. That's something.
That's still
expected.
better.
Yeah. I don't like his face at all.
It's like,
Oh.
Oh my goodness. He is so fucking vicious.
Hello, Harry.
Oh!
Hello. You're not your fit.
Oh, that little kiss was just so
Let's
cute.
say we get on.
You're still beautiful to me.
Aw.
Wait till you hear the news.
We have time for a cozy catch-up later.
No. Well, none of us really fancy it, mate.
Yeah, imagine if something went wrong, we ended up a scrawny specky kid forever.
Oh, everyone is ready to risk their life out to save Harry. Just Harry.
Here, as discussed.
Blimey, so British. Oh my
like,
God, how is she so pretty and perfect, man?
And so supportive all the time. Ready
Yeah.
to take everything.
Tastes like goblin piss.
Oh.
I've got a few experiences with that, do you, Maddo? Just trying to diffuse the tension.
I love them.
Everybody's ready, man. Wow.
Yes. Look at Ron. Oh! I love this scene.
yeah, it's one of my favorites.
The lighting the mood a little bit.
Oh!
Not yet, you're not.
And Daniel's acting as everyone.
Yeah.
Haven't got anything a bit more sporting, have you? Yeah, I don't really fancy this colour.
Oh my god, this is really new to be seeing him acting like this.
Right. Brought you here 16 years ago.
Oh,
yeah.
Quicker than a boat trickle. Seems only right.
Look at this Harry. What is this?
This is all very touching.
That's a tall word, touching. Let's go.
My ministry is after him, at least now. Wow, this scene is so epic, man!
Oh yes. And the real Harry is here.
Like all of them are here to protect him.
Yes.
I wish Black was here.
Oh God. Just don't get me started. Oh.
Oh,
What?
Hagrid's hurt.
Oh.
Hagrid is dead?
Hedwig.
Hedwig.
Hagrid is...
Hagrid is injured and
Hedwig
Hedwig
is
is dead.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's Voldemort!
Yes.
We didn't stand a chance.
Oh.
Thank goodness you two are all.
Oh, that's...
Death Eaters were waiting for it.
What?
Voldemort knew you were being moved tonight. I had to make sure you weren't an imposter.
Yes, he is so sharp-minded.
He's very wise. One of the wisest.
It could be that who was saying that, oh, I'm a great admirer.
Ready to check each other.
Yeah, he's an order.
Oh.
spoke to the pair of us. Harry is the best hope we have.
Oh.
Trust him.
Oh, Bill.
is dead.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, I was wondering where's Mana.
He tried to save everybody.
Mundungus took one look at Voldemort.
See? It's that guy, right? I knew it. There's some fishy about him. How could they slip such information, man?
Oh
Pathetic
my
piece of
god, he is so much in guilt. Everybody's dying for him.
We're only doing him a favour.
He is so patient and so
shit. Even though
smart
he
and
knows that
Ron
his
is wise.
family
Yeah.
is
Ron
the
is
one
wise.
who's getting
Yes.
affected the most.
zip me up.
Like the
Will.
classic, the most classic romance scene.
Yes.
Yeah.
Morning.
Oh, he even gave a wink.
Morning. The bride and the groom. He's a handsome groom.
And she's the prettiest bride, Fleur.
She is. She's
Yeah.
like, she's Fleur Delacour.
The ministry has fallen. Minister of magic
Oh,
is dead.
he was just here yesterday.
They are coming.
No, not.
Oh my god. Her dress is so pretty.
Yes. So it's very like one of the iconic dresses she ever wore in the movies.
Needs change.
They're literally everywhere. How can they trace him every time?
His name's Raz.
He's marked.
He was on the astronomy tower the night Snape killed Dumbledore.
Oh yeah, right.
Because
This is Dolarhoff.
not 17 years
I
old
recognise
yet.
him from all the posters.
Regulus Arcturus Black.
Who's that?
Arabi.
REB! REB!
The
And
lock.
Ron will be dead long before you
Ron
can
is so-
destroy it.
Ron really shines in
Are you
these
serious?
two movies. Is that guy who's interested in Hermione.
losers.
He isn't here.
Ooh, Neville.
Losers.
Badass. Hey, losers. He is not scared, man, at all.
Neville's grown up so much.
Wow.
It's that tune.
Furlies. Jinx.
I hear it everywhere. Everywhere. That music box. Song.
Oh god.
Thank you.
We flush ourselves here.
What? Yuck!
Disgusting.
Yeah, it is disgusting.
Oh no no no.
Yeah.
See? Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Well, that was quick.
Yeah.
Oh god, there's another close. Oh shit. This guy's actually angry.
Oh yes.
Oh shit! Oh.
Tent.
Potato to
Where am I supposed to find a tent?
Oh god, she must have it, Harry, come on.
Yeah, even the camera is like, bro.
Yeah.
Please, bro.
Are you kidding me? It's been 7 years.
When, Harry, when? And then you are the chosen one.
Yeah, I wish Hermione was the chosen
Oh.
one. I mean, he's just getting irritated with his radio.
Oh. Oh, okay. He's being jealous of one.
Why have they given him the
He's
locket?
wearing the locket now.
Why did they give him the locket? He is already
Just
so
making
weak.
so negative.
And he's already so weak, they just shouldn't give him the locket.
You think I don't know how this feels? Oh, you don't know how it feels! Your parents are dead! You have no family! Stop! Stop! Let it go! Go then!
There he crossed the limit.
I saw you two the other night.
Oh, really?
There's nothing.
Oh god. She's literally juggling between these two
Yeah.
things.
She's the only mature one here. You don't even have to take it off. She's fine.
Yeah, they keep it away. Why? are you
Yeah,
wearing it?
exactly. Or like, why 24/7 though? And especially why on Ron? Okay.
Oh my goodness. Oh god. Who the hell is standing there? And who the hell is standing there? Why are you smoking like this? You're giving me creepy vibe.
Don't watch me. Watch the movie. Fuck's sake.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell? It's a creepy yes. Why do they do this jump scare thing? Why?
To catch you off guard.
So we did. Not safe, but yeah, why would you listen?
Yeah, just follow a magical deer.
Yeah, that's the most normal thing to do.
Oh! Ah!
What if you just,
And it looks so dangerous.
Ah!
if you just
Oh! The locket is, yeah.
yeah, Locket doesn't want to go near it.
Should have given it to Hermione.
Yes. No, he didn't know what's coming.
Yeah, Shashank,
Yeah.
you were so right. Should have given him more space.
His nipple must be hard.
Yeah, that's your worry? Hermione?
Oh!
Why are you here?
Again?
Why did you come back?
Seriously? This
You
is
just
the
saved
time.
your ass.
Oh, you saved your life, man.
2, 3.
BAM!
I thought
That's
Spiders!
Be starved by your mother who craved a daughter.
Kill it!
We were better without you.
Oh my goodness.
Happier without you.
Who could look at you and perish to Harry Potter?
Hermione would never say something like that. What?
yeah, that embrace.
Gee! That's disgusting! They would never do something like this!
Yes!
Yes! Whoa, boy!
One more
Woo!
Horcrux down.
Woo! 3 done, right?
Yeah.
Well, that was a very stupid strategy. I mean, doing that would make him
More
wanna kill it more.
angrier,
Yeah. What kind of a stupid strategy?
And the last one was literally
Yeah.
stupid.
Make him weaker.
A doofus move.
Bother
I
that
think that's why Dumbledore left it to me. The Deluminator.
He knew.
I think he knew that somehow
Yeah, that
I
you're gonna
needed to
fuck
follow
up.
my
Dumbledore's a matchmaker now.
realised
Really, yeah, he was.
He was.
Remember at that time?
Yeah.
He was just.
He
Okay.
was
So he's
asking
very
Harry, what
interested
about
in all
Hermione?
this.
special.
Miss Cringe.
I'll do.
I'm sure of it.
Yeah. Mine's right. We'll see what's good. Let's vote on it. Those in favour?
He's trying so hard to
Like,
come
we don't
around.
do that here. We just listen to Hermione no matter what.
She's just
Come on,
melting
cut
a
the
little
slack.
bit. She's melting a little bit.
Yeah.
So there you are. Those are the Deathly Hallows.
What
Sorry,
a
sir, I
script.
still don't quite
What a
understand.
script, man.
Hmm.
Kudos to that thinking creative part. Oh, okay.
That's what the
get
symbol
it.
means.
Resurrection
And
Stone.
that is.
Stone.
clock.
That's the clue,
It's no matter. We really should be going anyway.
Oh,
Sir?
So they took
oh, shit.
my youth.
Shit. You're going to burn alive. Oh, this bitch. Fucking hate this woman. Oh my
Bella
god.
bitch.
Yeah, Bella bitch.
What is wrong with his face?
I would love Draco if he denied to recognize him.
Oh!
Dobby?
Oh, Dobby's my favorite.
Rescue Harry Potter.
Oh!
Dobby will always be there for Harry Potter.
Out of this room. Could you take us with you?
Of course, I'm an elf.
He's like, you idiot. I don't want to say that word to you, but...
Oh shit.
Oh, that's what she was doing.
Yeah. Oh, Draco does not want to call him.
He has his number?
Imagine him actually pulling out a phone and calling him.
Hey, Voldemort.
They are going to
We
call
got
him.
your bait. Ready?
They are going to
Oh,
call him like
that's
that. To you
That's
poor
even better.
people.
That's even better.
How dare you defy your masters!
Dobby has no master. Yes!
Master.
Woo!
Dobby is a free elf.
Yes.
And Dobby has come to save Harry Potter and his friends.
Woo!
Dobby, I love Dobby.
Dobby? What happened? Oh god! Oh,
Hold on.
Dobby!
I'll fix you. Hermione.
The best creature. The best
In your back.
creature.
Hermione.
Such a beautiful place.
Oh god, Dobby.
With me.
Shit. Such a lovely creature, man.
He just loved Harry Potter more than anything in his life.
He sacrificed his life. What else? Bellatrix, man. This bitch. Who's going
I
to
will
kill
bury
him?
him.
He was a free elf and yet he always appeared to save him.
Because he saved him, and that's why he was a free elf.
I mean, who remember such
When he,
favors?
even if he was not, when he wasn't free, he came to save him in the second movies. That's how it all started. Always, all his life, he just tried to save Harry.
How could JK do this to us, man? I mean, literally killing everybody. This fucking son of a bitch.
He dig his grave. He dig his grave for the one.
What?
The only thing that he wanted.
The elder wand. No, he's...
Has it.
That's
How could you, Voldemort?
My elder world's most powerful wand.
Yes, that's it.
That's it? That's it? No, they're going to end it on this note?
Yes.
Yeah. Like Voldemort.
As far as
is
I
more
know, they
powerful
made
than
a
her.
whole movie, and then it was too big that they
So
had
they-
to cut it in 2 parts.
Yeah, that's what
And
Oh,
that's,
they played us really bad.
They didn't play us. They just-
No, I mean, they knew that there's going to be a hype, okay? There was a hype at that time of Harry Potter, so they just divided into 2
dude,
parts.
there's going to be
So just think about it. Would you be
5-hour
happy
movie?
if they would cut it so short and put the whole movie, second 2 movies in
Yeah,
one?
I mean, as a Harry Potter fan, I am in love with this thing that, okay, they did this,
Yeah.
but,
Exactly.
oh god, now I'm left in suspense and I have to watch it next time. Oh god. Okay. It ended on a very serious and a very interesting note.
Of course.
Oh my
yeah, it's Harry Potter we're talking about, and it's about to end.
It's about to end. It's about to end. What am I going to do?
Doesn't it like just feel like yesterday we watched the first movie?
And this was our first movie on our channel. Okay, our
Yes.
first reaction.
Yes. Yes.
Oh god, what am I going to do after it? It feels like this was my only task to do. Reacting on Harry Potter movies, and How did you manage? How did you two manage?
We watch it again and again. That's
Yeah.
what we do. That's what every
Oh,
Potterhead do.
no, I cannot watch the whole series, the whole part. No, I can only
Dude, you
break-
are going to. Like, not the sad parts, but you
know.
are going to watch these movies million times.
And
Yeah.
you should gonna watch
Like
some
Harry
edits
Potter
or some
1,
scenes or some.
Yeah,
you know,
Harry Potter
specific-
1, Harry Potter 2. These are like the classic Christmas movies. for
Yes, yes, these are two my
Yeah.
favorite movies. Oh god.
Potterheads. Just comfort movies.
Yes.
And you know after watching them all grown up, when you go back to the first ones and second ones, you'll see like they're so
You know,
kids.
few
Yeah.
days ago I was watching our first reaction on our channel, which was Harry Potter, the first part, and she said it that to you that oh my god, it feels so nostalgic.
Nostalgic.
These kids. Oh, and at that time my reaction was just like
Yeah.
perplexed, like okay, whatever,
Yeah,
nostalgic. Oh, but okay. I can now link everything, and it's not even the end yet, okay?
Yeah.
But I am so into it already. How am I going to wait for the next Saturday?
The first two movies are the movies that you're gonna watch the most.
Yeah, the most. Everybody watches
yeah.
them the most.
Oh
Also,
God.
this is like the biggest fantasy franchise ever. Like, this was so big, so huge when the second part came. It was like on theaters. I don't know what the wall was. Such a
Yeah,
big
the
wall,
Deathly
and just
Hallows
yeah,
second
Deathly
part,
Hallows
yeah.
part 2, and just like the poster of Harry, and it didn't even say its name. That's the only
Yeah.
movie that can do that. Didn't even say Harry Potter, and no, it said
Yeah.
it's about to end. That is all it said. It's so
Oh
epic.
my
Only Harry
God.
Potter can do that, man. It's so big. It's
What was
so
that
big.
year? What was that year?
I think it was
2000 and I think 10.
11.
Yeah, 11 years ago.
Oh, okay. At that time, I was not even
2011.
aware about
2011, I think it was.
Hollywood. Oh God.
It was so big. Like, there are memes going on. Like, only Harry Potter can do that. Not even did not say in Harry Potter, Deathly Hallows. No, just said it's all about to end.
Oh my God.
It is so big.
Oh my God.
So excited. I couldn't wait to watch the second part now.
You know, I thought
Yeah.
when Dumby died, I thought that like Dumbledore,
Dumbly,
Mr.
yeah.
Dumbledore died. I thought that how the movie is going to proceed now. I mean, there's
Yes.
nothing left. It was all about Al Dumbledore and protecting the Hogwarts and everything. But now, in
And
fact,
there was
it's
no Hogwarts in this movie.
yeah,
Yes.
we're out of the school and we're
yeah.
you know
Yeah, there was a glimpse of some students going back
Yeah.
to that place, but obviously it's never going to be the
Neville
same.
was there.
But how they proceeded it is so impeccable. I
Yes.
mean, not for once they let us feel like, okay, one character died, okay, and you, like, there's nothing in the movie left. Definitely they gave us some resemblance.
That is what great writing is.
Yes.
Like, you if you kill the character, you have to make sure that you have something to
Yes, proceed with.
proceed with.
And oh my God, I am so into the next part.
Yes.
And I couldn't even, like, you know, I was just like, okay, what next? And then you were like, okay, that's it. I'm like, what? That's it.
Yeah,
no.
that is it. That is
And
it.
they just made it so short.
And the next
Why?
movie, I
wasn't
am
so
going
short.
to tell you, I'm going to warn you in advance that it's going to be so fast
Yeah.
paced and
even
full on.
even
Epic
faster than
battle.
this one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
faster
it was
than
fast,
this, way
actually.
faster than this one.
It was fast. It was not that fast that is throwing on your face,
yeah,
but
it's
smooth,
good.
but-
The other one is going to be
Yeah, but it has to be.
It
They have
has
to
to
wrap
be,
it up.
yeah.
You know, they have to wrap it up.
And you
back
know,
up.
it was all about Harry, Hermione, and Ron in
Yes.
this one because the other characters were just till the part.
yes. I loved
till
it
the
so
wedding
much
part.
that all three of them kind of had the equal amount of screen time.
Yes.
Because in the earlier movies, Harry was the main protagonist, but now this they gave equal parts, and Ron shined the most in this movie
Yes,
Yeah.
throughout the
yes,
series.
yes, yes.
So yeah, because they kind of made even showed us that they are getting ready for the last part and like
And, you know, as they're getting, towards the end of the series, the movies are getting more and more, in line with the books.
yeah.
Okay.
It's like, they just take just exact scene and show it on the screen. That's what they're doing in the 7th and 8th one.
Okay,
Yeah.
why aren't they doing that for the other parts?
They were doing it, in first part, second
Yeah,
part.
but then some
they started,
parts, like
different
the
directors,
fourth-
they started doing different things.
Yeah, like the fourth one is like way off from the
Fourth-
books.
The
It's
Prisoners of
different,
Azkaban.
No,
the Goblet of Fire, where Cedric Diggory died.
Oh,
Yeah, that is way off.
Yeah.
But it's still a good movie.
That's just
but
that
these
is artistic
artistic
choices.
choices. Yeah.
These are just
I was only excited this much in the Chamber of Secrets, and I wanted to know what's it's going to be for the third part. And after that, this is the leap that I am so excited over the next part. Because I'm for sure it's going to be epic.
Epic showdown.
battle.
So what's the situation now? Situation is Voldemort
Has
had
everything he
had
needs.
already made his Horcruxes
Yes.
and they're hidden.
Yeah, 4 of
and-
them are destroyed. and-
Yeah, 3 are left. And then he has the wand, the Elder
Yeah.
Wand.
He basically has everything.
And Harry, he doesn't even know doesn't even know everything about the
Everything
Hallows.
about-
Yeah.
And he doesn't even know what the Horcruxes are, where they are. And he's just, lagging behind
Yeah.
the antagonist.
yes.
The
He
protagonist
is
is
lagging way
so
behind.
way behind.
Yes.
And like Voldemort is on a high note.
Yes.
And Harry is like here because Dobby died and everything's so sad.
yeah,
Yeah.
that was actually sad.
So
Yes.
how's
Dobby
it?
and Mad Eye.
Yeah,
Yeah, Mad Eye.
Mad Eye died. Yes.
Oh.
And George lost his ear.
Yes.
Oh, he lost it.
I think.
I thought
think
he got
I
a
think-
wound or an injury.
I don't know.
I don't
Whatever.
remember, but I think.
And since I already know that it's going to be the last part, so I'm ready for a complete showdown. So
Yeah.
I'm even ready to face some death.
Yes. You,
I am actually preparing myself for it. Actually, you know what? I thought that Dumbledore is going to die, but at the last part. That was a surprise for me when he did in the third part.
Yes.
I mean the third last part, but oh god, I cannot wait for next Saturday. How am I
Yes.
going to spend my weekdays now? Oh shit.
So there was this scene where Hermione and Harry went to Godric's Hollow, and they followed this lady called
Yes.
Bathilda Bagshot, who they thought were Bathilda
Yeah.
Bagshot, but wasn't. Was
Yeah.
Nagini. And do you remember? She didn't say a word.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
When
because,
she was with both of them, she didn't say a word.
Yes.
But when Harry
Harry was-
went up with her,
Yeah.
she started speaking because she knew Harry would understand, and Harry doesn't
He
even
wouldn't
know
know.
when he's speaking to snakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He
doesn't even know-
when he's speaking the parcel tongue.
Yeah, he thinks he's speaking normally, so
Normally,
he
yeah.
just didn't recognize it.
Yeah.
So that was curious.
Yeah, but this parcel language, it is so cryptic. Obviously, it is cryptic, but it is so creepy. Like
Yeah, something like that. So much hissing, so much whispering, and so much,
yeah, typical.
air.
I mean, this word parcel, this is so creative. How
Everything is
can
so
it be
creative, man.
so
Like thousands
creative?
of. She made thousands of.
That Quidditch
spells.
game,
She
then-
made game. She made like whole story. She made even like tales that they have in their own.
Yes.
Like the
Yeah.
magicians have the tales.
She made sports. She made their
Yeah.
rules.
fantasy
She made,
at some other level.
Yeah.
she made history books. She
Like there's a reason why Harry Potter is at the level.
So
that-
do you know that there's a movie series after Harry Potter that's called Fantastic Beasts and Where to
No.
Find Them?
Yeah.
and
No, I was not even aware of the
so
Harry
Fantastic
Potters.
Beasts series is
Okay.
based on books.
Okay.
2 books, and those 2 books are written by J.K. Rowling.
yeah.
And what are these
Okay.
2 books? These 2 books are the books that kids at Hogwarts study in their second year.
Yeah, it's about that book.
Oh.
And one is about the Grindelwald, the one who was.
Yeah.
That's Fantastic
It's
Beasts.
about.
Oh,
that.
so she
and Johnny
made
Depp
a-
plays Grindelwald.
Yeah, Johnny Depp plays Grindelwald. Yeah.
Yeah, young.
So
Grindelwald.
like she made a story about those books as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my.
And the movie is
goodness.
also
She made
amazing.
something I don't remember exactly, but I think she wrote a book called History of Quidditch or something like that. History of Hogwarts, I think. History of Hogwarts.
Yeah.
Where she wrote about
How many books she wrote for Harry Potter?
a lot.
A lot.
For
Then
Harry
why do
Potter
we only
alone-
have 7?
Yeah,
they are
for
the
Harry
main
Potter
books,
alone,
you know.
It's 7.
Like in the Vampire Diaries, there are 4 main books.
But then there
Then there are Return
originals,
trilogy.
Yeah.
Then there are
Yeah,
Hunter
yeah,
trilogy, and then she wrote like so many,
So if you
so
s-
many
if you
Stephen's
s-
diaries.
Yeah. So
Yes.
if you look at the Harry Potter universe as a whole, she wrote so many books.
Okay.
But as movies, she wrote 7 books and 8 movies are there.
So after this part, she has
She has
written
written
some.
most.
Yes.
And even there was a play.
Okay.
It's not a book, but it's a play. It's called Harry Potter and the Cursed
Curse
Child.
of the
the Cursed Child.
Okay.
That play, she co-wrote with someone.
Okay.
But it's a play. It's not a novel. But that's after Harry Potter. like the
So
after this time.
if this movie ends on next Saturday,
Yeah.
I can still read what happened after it, right?
You can read the
And it's going
script
to
of the
be-
play. Script of the play of
No,
the
I'm
Cursed
talking
Child.
about no. The Curse of the Child is after the last part.
Yes,
After
yes. You
The
can definitely
Curse of
read
the
that.
Child, okay.
And
And it's
the-
in a chronology, right?
Yeah, but the
Okay.
Fantastic Beasts trilogy.
It's before. It's
before
their
time. It was when Dumbledore was young.
Yeah, it's about that time.
Like the
Why
Dumbledore
didn't
is
they
the
make that in the movie?
They
They
did.
made Fantastic Beasts. They
And where
made
to find them.
Two-
And Eddie Redmayne
Two
is
are
in
out.
that movie. Do you know
Thir-
Eddie Redmayne?
Two are out and third is coming.
I thought you were talking about the books or the play, but they made a movie.
Have you seen the movie Theory of Everything?
Yeah.
So that hero, he played
Newt
the
Scamander,
protagonist. Newt
the
Scamander.
protagonist in the Fantastic Beasts.
Fantastic Beasts and Where to
It
Find
is
Them.
so
and
good.
he is, I love that guy.
Okay, I'm going to watch that too now
Yeah,
because
that's
really
really
want
fun.
something.
It's really fun.
I
That's
want
so good.
something after this. I want a chronology to
Yeah.
follow here.
Oh, we have chatted a lot.
But before that, before our Fantastic Beast, we have one more
Yes.
final movie to go. Thank you so much
Yes.
if you watched this video, guys. We cannot tell you how excited we are for the next
Oh.
movie. We are all pumped
Thumbs
up.
up.
Please comment down below your thoughts on the reaction and subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the video with as much Potterheads as you can.
Yes.
And hit the notification bell for the last movie, and we will see you in the next video.
And subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye bye.